Martha's granola recipe calls for 1.5 cups of oats per batch. Today she's making a lot of granola, 2.5 batches. However, she only has a 1 1/4 cup measuring cup because her toddler stole all the other pieces in the set. How many scoops of oats with the 1/4 cup measuring cup will she need to use? So if one batch takes 1.5 cups of oats, then 2.5 batches is going to take how many cups of oats? So if you look at the one batch and know that it takes 1.5 cups of oats, and then we know that we only have a 1/4 measuring cup, so we can split this into fourths, as well as this one. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And then we can count those, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 1/4 cups per one batch. So then we can, since we know we're making 2.5 batches, we can take 6 times 2 to give us 12, and then 6 times the remaining half to give us 3, and then add the 12 plus the 3 to get 15 total cups of oats per 2.5 batches. And then for the next strategy, so we know that one batch takes 1.5 cups of oats, and 2.5 batches, we don't know how many cups of oats. So then we can look at, so this is batch 1, batch 2, and batch 2, 2.5. Okay, so then each batch needs 1.5 cups. So we can go 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And then since this one's only half a batch, we know that we only need half of what each of these batches take. So we'll start by splitting them all into fourths again, since we know that we only have a 1/4 cup. And then since we only need half of these, we count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and know that we only need half, and half of 6 is 3. So we're going to take away 3 of these, and then count how many we still have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we know that it takes 15 cups of oats to make 2.5 batches of granola.